My name is SRINIVASA. I am from Chikbalapur. I did my graduation in the year of 2021 in the mechanical stream. So I joined QSpiders in the March 2022. After joining the QSpiders, here I learned Java, Manual, SQL and Selenium. Now recently I got placed to company called IndiaMart with a package of 3 LPA. Here the faculties are very good, and special thanks to Chidambaram sir and Uma sir and Manjunath sir, and especially thanks for HRs they have given me the requirements, and they have scheduled me the interviews. So they scheduled me the groomings and all. So thanks for all the HRs who have supported me in giving requirements, and overall thanks to the QSpiders. Coming to my experience in the QSpiders, here I learned Java, SQL, Manual as I said in the earlier. So after completing the classes on that day, I used to do the presentations with my friends. So by doing presentations, it helped me a lot in growing my confidence and giving answers in the interviews. So please everyone, after completing your classes, do the presentations and give the marks regularly. So with that you can grow your confidence, and you can improve your communication also. So I suggest everyone to join QSpiders to build a career in IT. So this is the good platform to learn and enter into the IT. So thank you everyone. Thank you QSpiders.